Hi guys and girls, today we're looking at adding fractions with different denominators, okay? And there's a trick in this process that makes it a lot easier. And just a hint, all of the ones today use that trick because they've been selected to show that trick, okay? And the trick is that if the denominators are in the same times table, all you need to do is find what you need to times one bottom by to get the other, times them both by that, and then you've got an equivalent fraction. Okay, so to show you what I mean, let's get started. My first step is to look at the two denominators, the two numbers on the bottom. So I've got 5 and 15. And look at the smaller one and think, what do I need to times 5 by to get 15? Okay, now I think that's 3. But if I didn't know, I could just do 15 divided by 5 on my calculator, and I'd also get the answer 3. Okay, then what I do is I times 3, and the 5 both by 3. Okay, so I times both those numbers by 3, times by 3, times by 3. And I get 9. Sorry, I'll do that down the bottom, just to give myself more space on the computer. So I get 9 over 15 plus 7 over 15. And the 9 over 15 comes from 3 over 5 times 3 times 3, which gives me 9 over 15. Now notice 9 over 15 is an equivalent fraction that's exactly the same as 3 over 5. Okay, so I'm not adding different things, I'm just adding the same thing as we had at the start. Okay, so 9 and 7 together make 16 over 15, and that's my answer, so I chuck it in, 16 over 15. And we're done. Okay, so just to sum up the steps, when you're adding fractions with different denominators, it helps to check if they're in the same times table. And if they are, work out what you need to times one by to get to the other. Do the same thing once you've got that number, times the top and bottom of the smaller one by that number to get it equivalent to the bigger denominator. Okay, and then once the denominators are the same, just add the tops. Okay, it's a little bit of a process, but I'm sure you'll do really well. And that was adding fractions with different denominators.